Amazing, right? These Stranger Things transitions are going viral everywhere, and this video shows the exact Stranger Things transition we're creating today. Let's dive in. Step 1. Turn images into Stranger Things style. First, open Edimakor and create a new project. If you haven't installed it yet, download it from the link in the description. From the left panel, click AI Image and select Reference to Image. Choose the Nano Banana Pro model and upload your image. In the prompt section, paste your Stranger Things style prompt, adjust the settings according to your preference, and click Generate. Your normal image will instantly transform into a dark, cinematic Stranger Things style image. Repeat the same process to convert all your images. Step 2. Create the Stranger Things transition. Now, let's create the before and after transition. Go back to AI Video, click Image to Video, and select Reference to Video. Choose the Vidu Q1 model and upload both the original image and the Stranger Things version. Paste your transition prompt in the prompt box, then select the duration, resolution, and style. Click Generate, and Edimakor will automatically create a smooth Stranger Things style transition video. Step 3. Edit for a cinematic feel. Next, import the generated video onto the timeline. Experiment with speed ramping to create a more dynamic and cinematic transition. Once it looks good, duplicate the clip and reverse the second one. Finally, add background music, make small timing adjustments if needed, and your Stranger Things transition video is ready. And that's how you can create viral Stranger Things transitions using Edimakor. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on which style you want next.